Students, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about segmentation in an operating system. Now, as we know that operating system manages memory, that is main memory. Now, segmentation is a memory management technique in which the memory is divided into variable size parts. Now, in the main memory, each part is known as segment, which is allocated to a process. Now, detail of each segment is saved in a table known as segment table. Segment table is also stored in one or many segments. Now, the segment table consists of two things. Number one is base and number two is limit. Base consists of the base address of the segment and limit consists of the length of the segment. Now, one thing you must know why this is required. As we know that we are using paging technique, it divide all the process into form of pages regardless of the fact the process can have some relative parts of the functions which need to be loaded in the some page. So operating system does not care about this. So it decreases the efficiency of a system. So we have used segmentation. Paging decreases the efficiency of the system. So segmentation is taken into account. In this, the process is divided into segments. Means a process is divided into segments. Now in this, the each segment contain same type of functions such as main function is included in one segment and library functions are included in another segment. So as we know that segment table is required to save the detail of a segment. So in this segment table, translation of logical address into physical address is performed. Now in this, the CPU generates a logical address which consists of two parts. One is segment number and the another one is offset. So the segment number is mapped to the segment table, and the limit of the respective segment is compared with the offset. If the offset is less than limit, we will get a valid address. Otherwise, if this is no, then we will get an error and invalid address. So in case of valid address, the base address of the segment is added to the offset to get the physical address of actual word in the main memory. So if we have a valid address, then the base address is added to the offset to get the physical address of the actual word in the main memory. So hope you will understand what is segmentation. In this, the process is divided into various segments. In the next lecture, we will discuss your advantages and disadvantages of segmentations. Thank you very much.